Taste the love. For our next recipe, chicken and barbecue mushroom gravy. Let's begin. 250 grams breast chicken fillet. Kinat natin into bite size. Next, mag-add tayo ng calamansi juice, salt, black pepper, 1 whole egg. For this recipe, gagamit tayo ng isang 30 gram pack ng Rancheros barbecue powder. Kukuha muna tayo ng unang 1/2 tablespoon. Itatabi muna natin itong matitirang Rancheros barbecue at gagamitin natin mamaya sa gagawin nating gravy. Cornstarch, all-purpose flour, hahaluin natin ng mixture, at mag-a-add din tayo ng water as needed. Naka-ready na rin yung ating pan with oil, so let's begin frying. After natin mag-fry, next na gagawin natin is barbecue mushroom gravy. Magme-melt lang tayo ng butter and then ilalagay natin yung garlic. Susunod natin yung mushroom. 1 small can ng evaporated milk, water, then ilalagay natin lahat ng natirang Rancheros barbecue powder, pepper, slurry or pampalapot. Mag-a-add din tayo ng water as needed, toyo para pang-dark ng kulay, and hahaluin natin hanggang sa makuha natin yung ating desired consistency. Let's bake and cook from the heart and taste the love. I'm Lendy Castro Tercias. See you next recipe!